Now look, this is another one going out into a different garage. Okay, I got the same issue here. I'm not really going to fix, I'm not going to fix this one on the video. It's actually going to be another door, but this is my other door, second door. See here again. I'm closing it. I can hear it's hitting the wood back there. See there? This is only going straight up, and to check that, you can go straight up. Look at that. It's got to go that far. See how far that is? Right there at an angle. I know this has to go this far, and it's not. It's only going straight up and down, slightly to the right, but it's got to go way over here, doesn't it? Same thing. Can you believe that? Somebody, a professional, installed those. He probably had his flunky do it. He probably had his apprentice do it, and he didn't explain to him the proper procedure of how to install that, and if the deadbolt's hitting, what to do. Okay, now we're out in the garage. Here's the garage door that goes outside. Get this unlocked. See here? Now look, when I lock that, straight up and down again. See? And I can tell, and I can hear it, and I can feel it, that the deadbolt latch is hitting the wood. Here we are again, slightly up to the right, not straight up and down, just slightly to the right, right there. Look at that. Here, this is my exterior door going outside, and I'm not protected. The only thing that protects me is this one little minuscule lock that goes into a strike plate, and the screws to that strike plate are about this long. And that's all that's holding me from allowing somebody to break into this door. See here? Right there. See how loose this is? But I pushed it over. Right there. See, anything less than that, even if it was right there, I can't even go that far. No good. Okay? Now this one, same type of deal. Same type of deal. Whoever installed these, that just cracks me up. They used a strike like this, just like the bottom one. I'll get you out there and look at the strike. Let's see, they did it again. They've got that regular strike on there again. Here's the top one. No notch, no tab there, because they're using that for the deadbolt one. This one's got the little tab in there. That's the bottom one. Okay. So here's my wood again, so I've got to drill that out. We've done this before, right? I'm going to take my same paddle bit. Let's see where this is. I got to get you kind of set up here. You can't really see exactly, because I can't get you in here all the way. You're just going to have to trust me on this. Boy, look how long this screw is. It tells me, too, that even if my deadbolt is in there properly, I really don't have long enough screws in here, do I? I should probably get some longer ones and go through the jamb, the 3/4 inch plus a quarter or 3/8 plus enough to go into the 2x4 or 2x6 that's behind this. And that's what I probably should do when I get done. I'll have to find some longer screws. Okay, so I've got that out. I've still got my 3/4 inch paddle bit in my drill. Got my 1/2 inch chisel in case I need it, and I'm putting that in there. 3/4 is lining up good. Okay, so I'm just going to go a little bit, then I'm going to put my hole up further and extend this up. This hole's a little bit bigger, taller than the other one. I can move these back and forth. That's the bottom hole, and this is the top hole. Now I'm through. Okay. Now you're seeing a little bit of white too, because where the strike is and where the hole is, it's just getting into the sheetrock too, because you've got to layer sheetrock on here before the trim. So all this first little bit is not necessarily entirely wood. Okay, so now I can chisel this other stuff out. And see, I'm getting into the back. And it seems like I might have to do this slightly different. If I use this, I still have about 1/8 or 1/4 inch of wood where the paddle broke in through the strike, the jam. And if I try to hit that out, it could cause a splinter on the back side of this. Then my screws might slightly be loose. I mean, it's really not going to matter too much if I use longer screws, okay? But if I don't, I've got my sheetrock knife out now. I can use that as a cutter here too, because I'm having a feeling that the back side of the deadbolts could still hit the wood here, and I've got a lot of gap between the back of this and the 2x6 in the wall. That's where I'm trying to be careful. I think what I should do is get a drill bit. I'm going to get a wood drill bit, okay? I'm going to take this paddle bit off because I can't use that. And I'm going to get a regular drill bit. I'll be right back and we'll try that. Okay, so now I got my drill bits, and which one of these to pick? Because what I'm going to do is I'm not using the tip as much as the side. I'm going to use the side kind of as a cutter. So see this one here, this one's probably okay, but I'm not going to use it because this one was used on the side before. So I can pick a different one. And I think I'm going to try a smaller one. I'm going to try this one. I like this drill case too, by the way. These don't fold out. You would think this folds out. You think, okay, how am I supposed to get it? Well, you put it in at an angle, and then you just push it in. See, and to get it out, you just pull out at an angle, lift it up. That's how all these come out. I kind of like that. That's kind of slick. I don't know how they came up with that. Okay. So let's just see. I'm hoping this one's big enough. Might have to use a bigger one. Just do that on low, and then I'm gonna, oh, that's actually low. You could tighten it up on low easier to make sure it's tight. Now I've got it on high. I'm gonna use that just as a grinder. That's cleaning up the wood, the back.